Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Ddm Tuning Hid Kit is probably one of the most sought-after upgrades for any vehicle owner looking to significantly enhance their nighttime visibility and overall driving safety, offering a brilliant, crisp light that cuts through darkness far more effectively than traditional halogen bulbs, transforming your driving experience with superior illumination and a modern aesthetic that not only looks great but also provides a crucial advantage in spotting hazards sooner. Number 5. Nilight D3S Hid Bulb 6000K Diamond White. Experience exceptional brightness with these D3S Hid bulbs. They offer a stunning 6000K diamond white light, providing 150% more output than standard bulbs for superior visibility. Engineered to meet high production standards, these bulbs are built for longevity. Enjoy up to 3,000 hours of reliable, bright illumination for your vehicle. Installation is straightforward, as these are designed for a direct replacement. Simply ensure your vehicle is equipped with a D3S Hid headlight assembly, not a halogen type. These bulbs are more power efficient than others, consuming 40% less energy. They deliver a super focused and bright beam for optimal light concentration. To ensure optimal performance and prevent premature burnout, we recommend wearing cotton gloves during installation. This prevents oily residue from affecting the brightness. What we like. Experience brilliant illumination with a 6000K diamond white light that's 150% brighter than standard bulbs. These offer long-lived performance with a 3,000-hour service life. If you're looking for a significant upgrade in brightness and longevity for your sedan, SUV, or pickup, this is a great choice. What people say. Much brighter than OEM bulbs. See further and safer to drive at night versus original bulbs. Super bright. Easy install. The color and brightness are very good. Not too bright for oncoming traffic but plenty bright to see further ahead. Number 4. Innovited 9006 HID Xenon bulbs. Introducing the Innovited 9006 HID Xenon bulbs, designed to significantly enhance your driving visibility. Experience a brighter, clearer view of the road ahead. Enjoy a hassle-free setup with our plug-and-play design. Installation is typically completed in under 20 minutes, making it a simple upgrade for most vehicles. These bulbs offer a dramatic improvement over traditional halogen options. They are 3x brighter, last 5x longer, and consume 35% less power, providing exceptional value. Each package includes two 35W slim ballasts and two xenon bulbs, ensuring you have everything needed for a complete upgrade. We also include a 2-year warranty for your peace of mind. With an impressive service life of 5,500 hours, these bulbs are built to last. They deliver a powerful 3,265 lm of light with a cool white 6000K color temperature. Vehicle compatibility can vary. If you're unsure about the correct bulb size for your car, please consult your owner's manual or contact us for assistance. We're here to help you find the perfect fit. What we like. Enjoy a straightforward installation that usually takes less than 20 minutes, offering 3x the brightness of halogen bulbs. With a service life of 5,500 hours, these are built to last. If you want a hassle-free upgrade that provides a dramatic increase in visibility and durability, this bundle is ideal. What people say. The light output is bright and throws far. There is perfect beam pattern and the color has almost no blue and is perfect white. The throw on these is much farther than the LED. The 4300K light output is vastly superior. The 4300K doesn't blind back as much and is easier on the eyes for me and oncoming drivers. 4300K is also optimal for inclement weather. The brightness is absolutely unparalleled. The 6000K diamond white output looks crisp, clean, and dramatically improves nighttime visibility compared to standard halogens. The overall quality of the bulbs and ballasts is excellent. Everything feels solid, installs cleanly, and performs exactly as promised. Installed my first kit on a 4Runner back in 2021 and 4 years later it's running perfectly, so +1 to long-term performance. These HIDs project light much further, so overall brighter and safer compared to LEDs. Number 3. XtremeVision 9005 10K 35W AC Xenon Bulb Bundle. Introducing the XtremeVision 9005 Xenon Bulb Bundle, designed for superior illumination. This bundle includes everything you need for a powerful lighting upgrade. Before installation, please consult the fitment guide to ensure this bulb size is correct for your low beam, high beam, or fog light. Contact us if you need assistance verifying the bulb size. Experience a significant boost in brightness, producing 30% more light than standard bulbs. Its digital AC ballast ensures stable performance, enhanced durability, and a longer lifespan. The bulb features a quartz glass tube filled with xenon gas, delivering bright and high-performance lighting. Enjoy clear visibility on the road with this advanced technology. The slim ballast is housed in a durable, watertight aluminum alloy casing. It's sealed with waterproof epoxy to protect against moisture and reduce vibrations, ensuring reliable operation. This comprehensive bundle includes two 35W AC slim ballasts, two 10,000K dark blue xenon bulbs, and two plug-and-play wiring harnesses for easy installation. What we like. Achieve a striking dark blue 10,000K light output that's 30% brighter than standard DC xenon bulbs. The slim AC ballast ensures stable, durable performance. If you desire a unique, high-performance look with enhanced brightness and a sleek ballast design, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Easy to install. They look great, it's nice how I expected. Number 2. Ddm Tuning Ultra HID H11 bulbs. Introducing the Ddm Tuning Ultra HID bulbs. Experience OEM quality lighting for your vehicle. These bulbs provide a significant upgrade, offering 20% more brightness than standard options. See the road more clearly than ever before. Designed specifically for H11 sockets, ensuring a perfect fit and easy installation. Get the right bulb for your car's headlights. Enjoy a crisp, 5500K light output that mimics natural daylight. This provides excellent visibility and a premium look. This package includes a pair of bulbs, so you can replace both sides at once. Upgrade your lighting system with confidence. What we like. Get OEM quality with bulbs that are 20% brighter than standard, offering a clean 5500K light. These are designed for reliable performance and excellent illumination. If you prioritize genuine quality and a noticeable brightness increase without extreme color temperatures, this is a solid choice. What people say. Installed these HID bulbs with the HID kit. What a huge difference. Installed, although I had to modify to install, and it works and brightly illuminates the road perfectly. Very bright. I had the Opt 755W 6000K, then bought the 55W Ultra 5500K bulb, very bright and brighter on startup. Number 1. Ddm Tuning by Xenon Projectors V2. Experience perfect light distribution with a wider hot spot, ensuring ample illumination on the road ahead. This design prioritizes ground visibility below the cutoff for a more comprehensive beam. Featuring optically clear grade A glass lenses, these projectors deliver unparalleled clarity. The lens holder is constructed from a high-temperature composite, built to withstand extreme heat. A powerful magnetic solenoid ensures a full high-beam shutter engagement, maximizing light output. Enjoy a deeper, further-reaching high beam thanks to this advanced design. The reflector bowl is meticulously polished and coated with a high-temperature chrome finish for a mirror-like surface. This maximizes forward light reflection and resists heat from HID systems. Included H7 and H4 mounting plates simplify installation, minimizing modifications to your stock headlights. Rubber gaskets ensure a secure and proper seal. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: projectors, mounting hardware, gaskets, HID ballasts, bulbs, and stylish shrouds. Enjoy peace of mind with a lifetime warranty. What we like. This kit provides a complete retrofit solution with integrated projectors for perfect light distribution and a wider hotspot. It also comes with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. If you're looking for a comprehensive upgrade that includes projectors for superior beam control and long-term reliability, this is the ultimate package. What people say. Good product for price. The lights are very bright and have a good beam pattern. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.